It's been a while. It's been a hot minute.
So guys, I thought I'd just quickly jump on before we get any further into this video. As you can probably tell, I'm all swollen on this side of my jaw. I've got a broken tooth and I'm on antibiotics for an abscess. So before that, me and Tony had the flu, a really bad flu before Christmas. So we had a bit of a quiet Christmas this year, most of it in bed, to be honest, and not the way you think. I wish, but no, it was horrendous. And then obviously this happened. So people have been asking about the picture on Instagram and asking if there was a video for it. Yes, there is, and that's what today's video is going to be. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you very soon in some new videos, and I've got some new things to show you guys. I love you all so much, and thank you for your love and your patience.
Oh my god, so me and Tony had the flu over Christmas. I've lost a nail, and oh Jesus guys, it's been a whirlwind. So I have not filmed anything before Christmas, over Christmas. Today's the 28th, Wednesday the 28th. I've had a little delivery. I saw everyone buying the Made by Mitchell mystery bags before Christmas. They were £70. I went on Beauty Bay just to have a look at their Boxing Day sales, and oh my god guys, the Made by Mitchell bundle, mystery bundle bags went down to £20. Your girl picked one up. So in these mystery bags, apparently you get 6 products. Could have the mirror in there. I'm hoping for the mirror because I've been wanting that bad boy for a while. The mystery bag, because I am thinking of using the Made by Mitchell Do You Want Some Milk palette, because I'm thinking I want to do something quite glam, maybe with a few rhinestones. I don't know, see where it goes. So this is all the stuff we have in here. So I'm just gonna put my hand in the bag and pull out. The first thing I'm pulling out, guys, is a brush. I love a good new brush. It comes in a nice little Ziploc bag. An F1 brush. I don't even know what brush that is. I think it might be like a buffing foundation-y brush maybe. It's very soft. It feels lovely. Oh, this is one of his lip glosses. I'm getting into Made by Mitchell products. So, oh, that is pretty. It's like a nice little pretty baby pink. Oh yeah, I'll be wearing that all the time. I love those kinds of colours. It's Milkshake for me is the shade. Oh, we've got another lip gloss. So this one is in Nude Mood. Well, we all like a nude mood, don't we? Yeah, that's gorgeous. It's like a nudie burnt orange. We have a sponge by Made by Mitchell sponge. I love my Chloe marshmallow sponge. This is the best sponge ever. It was £8. It's very dirty, very well loved. Oh, we have a blush. We have a blush. So this is their liquid blusher. It's a gorgeous shade. So this one is in Melon Sorbet. Ooh, that might be like a bronzer for me, not gonna lie. Oh, it's a bronze. So this is the blush bronzed. Ooh, that's nice. So this one is obviously a bronzer colour. Ooh, that, I'm sure that'll probably work on my skin tone. So guys, first thing I'm going to do is spritz this on my face. So this is from Skin Techniques and it's the vitamin C spray toner. I've been using this for a while. It's like down here now. So I've been using it every day for a while and I can see some of the benefits to it. So it's a vitamin C spray toner, brightening vitamin spray, reduces pores, brightens and nourishes the skin to reduce the appearance of fine lines. My skin is having a hella breakout. I've been, like I said, I've been poorly. I've now come on the period, so it's having a moment. And then I just let it settle there for a little bit. So then the next product I've been using is also Skin Techniques and it's their vitamin serum. So it's their vitamin C serum. So this is brightening and lifting, revitalizes and replenishes the skin to brighten the skin and even out skin tone. So what I've been doing with this is I've been putting it under my eyes. like just under these bloody eye bags, guys, because they're real right now. And I crease so badly under my eyes. I've been finding this really has been helping with my creasing. I want it quite lifted, so I do it the outer corner of my eye up to the brow. So I'm going to use this brow soap from this brand. So I'm going to be using the Goof Proof Pencil Brow. So to carve my brows out, I'm going to use the Be Perfect Chroma Concealer. The Made by Mitchell Do You Want Some Milk palette. She looks like this. I'm thinking all these browns and then maybe bringing a bit of this silver. I'm now going to use my Sigma brush and I'm going to go into How Now, which is like a nice transition brown, and just pop that straight into my crease. There's no black shade in the Mitchell palette, so I hate doing this, but I'm going to go into the Wild palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to use the black in the Huda Beauty palette. A smudger brush, so this is a Jessup's 226 smudger brush, going into that black, and I'm going to pop that literally on the outer corner and make like a wing shape. And then I'm going to use a blending brush. So this is a Spectrum B07, and with no product on, I'm just going to start blending that shadow. I'm going to take a bit of the brown out of the Huda Beauty palette and start blending that on top. I'm going to take this pigment. So this is the Sparkle Lit Kit. It's no glitter, no glory. It's from Lit Cosmetics. So you get the glitter liquid in here and a little tub that you can mix your stuff in, and 2 pots of glitter. So we've got like a reddy glitter and a white. I think I'm going to use the white glitter. I completely opened that the wrong way, guys. It's literally going to go every fucking where. So we put this little brush in the mixer. Without getting this shit anywhere else, you literally scoop it up on the little brush. And apparently it just goes straight onto the eye lid. Oh wow. A bit scratchy on the eye, but it is pretty. I hope it's coming off on camera as good as it is in real life, because sometimes that don't bloody happen. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner in black and do a wing. Literally just going over that black shadow, what we've already done. And I'm taking this all the way in. So guys, for mascara, I've been waiting to use this mascara with you guys for so bloody long. It's the Jeffree Star. So it is the Fouque Proof mascara from Jeffree Star, and as you would imagine, it's got the wow factor. I mean, look at the packaging for a start. I just love the packaging. You either like Jeffree Star or you don't. I'm not one of his massive fans, but I do love his makeup products, and I do love the design on some of them because they're just so quirky. So I'm just going to pop some of this mascara on. I haven't really got many lashes, so that's another thing that I'm going to have to invest in the new year, is some more lashes. Oh shit. So I haven't really got many lashes in my collection, so that's one thing in the new year that I'm going to be looking at getting more of. So I'm going to just use these beaten up doll lashes in the style Gilly. So that's the eye so far. So I'm just going to go off camera, do the other eye, and then we'll be back to do the face. So guys, this is what the eyes are looking like so far. But me being me, I want them to be a little bit more sparkly, New Year kind of thing. So this is my favourite palette of 2022. It's the Be Perfect Manifest palette. I am in love with this palette, guys. It's £20, so affordable. It is gorgeous. It is a really nice palette, and as you can see, I have literally hit pan on this shade, which is Pride, which is a gorgeous glitter. Like, oh my god, that glitter, I love it. I absolutely bloody love it, and I've been rinsing it and wearing it every day. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit more on the lid. It is so nice. So like, if you were in a nightclub and the lights are hitting your eyes, you are gonna stand out with this palette, guys. Oh, it is just amazing. You can get it off Beauty Bay, which is where I got it as well. So if you are interested, I will link that down below. And it's literally just my honest opinion that that is the best palette that I've had in a long bloody time, and I love it. So that's where I'm sticking with the eyes so far. They're glittery. To me, they are perfect. We're going to go on to the skin. Bear with me with my skin, because my skin, I'm breaking out, like I say. First product I'm going to be using is this one from Beauty Bay. You guys know I love Beauty Bay products, so this isn't the one that I want to use because it's the bloody eye base that I forgot to use. I'm going to plump up my lips, and I've been using this from Amazon. So it's a Katie or Cattery lip argan oil plumper, so it plumps up your lips ×5. So I'm going to pop a bit of lip plumper on. So this is an argan oil lip serum lip plumper. It's gorgeous. It bloody hurts. Not going to lie, it bloody does hurt. I'm going to open the one that I've already got open. So this is the product. Feels like you stung your nettle, your lips in nettles basically, but it plumps your lips. So this is my lips now. Give it a couple of minutes. So the first product I'm going to be using on my face, guys, is this. So this is the Revolution Retinol Rescue Rehab. Soothes skin and helps to minimise the appearance of pores primer. The packaging is so cute. Oh god, I've got glitter every bloody where. Look, my hands, I don't know if you can tell, but they're full of glitter. So it is a silicone based primer. Normally I don't like silicone based primers. But this one's really nice. It just smooths out the skin. It's not tacky at all. It literally just like makes your skin feel really nice and smooth. Foundation, I'm going to use this one. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I got it off Amazon. It's really good. So this is the foundation I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to use a stippling brush to start off with. I then go in with my Chloe Marshmallow sponge. As you can see, my lips are nice and plumped. Using my little powder puff, I'll get my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and I'm just going to set the under eyes. I'll then use a big fluffy brush with the same powder and set the rest of my face. So I'm going to use the blush, and I'm just going to pop some of that on my cheeks. And I know I'll put powder down, but it's my mistake. I'm going to wash all this off after anyway. I think it's a little bit too dark, or maybe not. It's actually working quite well, saying that I've powdered down as well, guys. I'm then going to go into the bronzing one. That's really blended in, really nice. We're saying that I've already like powdered on top as well. I didn't think that was going to work. I'm going to go into the biscuit shade and pop that in the lash line. Brown now, which is a lighter brown. The same brush, and I'm using a Sigma Define Shader brush. Golden Pearl, which is like a gold glitter. And just pop like a gold brownie glitter. And just pop that under the, yeah. And like you guys know, I don't do a lot under the under eye. Don't want to emphasise those eye bags. I'll use the same mascara, which is the Jeffree Star one. To bronze everything up, I'm going to use the Snip and Fab palette. I seriously need to clean this beauty room after. I have found a new favourite blush, guys. So it's from Body Collection. It is gorgeous. It's like a nice baby pink. And it reminds me of the Kylie, like that really viral Kylie one. And it is so pretty. Put it on my nose. And it was only like £2 or something. 2 lip combinations. I'm going to do like a nude and then a pink. So I think I'll do the pink first of these. I'm going to use this. For the pink liner, I'm going to use this from NYX. So it's their NYX Line Loud lip liner, and it's in the shade moving up. So we'll just see. Oh, that's a gorgeous pink. On top, I'm going to be using the Beam made by Mitchell, and it's one of their lip glosses, and it's in Milkshake for Me. I love it. For lip combo number 2, we're going to have the Huda Beauty lip liner in Trendsetter. And then we're going to use a Beam in Nude Mood. And that's lip combo number 2. And oh my god, I think I love this one. I love both, but this one definitely goes with today's look. So I'm going to do something with the hair. Nothing too crazy, because like I said, I'm not going out anywhere. And then I'm going to edit and post this video up for you guys. So give me 2 minutes and I'll be right back. So guys, this is all I'm literally doing my hair. Can't be bothered. I'm going to go and have a nice bath in a minute. But this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it's perfect for, I was going to say Halloween. And if you're going to family, if you're going to the pub, if you're having a good time, I'm jealous because I'm probably going to be sat at home, not going to lie. Because I'm little Miss Old Farty Pants over here. I'll be in my pyjamas. I'll have my glass of wine and I'll probably be watching Walking Dead. That'll be my New Year's Eve. And probably just have a few nibbles because, let's face it, in the new year, this girl's going back on the healthy eating plan. Definitely. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, because quite a few guys who are watching my videos are not subscribed to my channel, and that just hurts my feelings. So it's free, guys. Just hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and that will be absolutely amazing if you could do that for me. And hit the notification bell, because that will notify you every single time that I'll upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one, guys. I love you so much, and bye.